close this first. Alright. Hello everyone. So as you guys have requested, so I've made the room tour video. So my room is not a huge one. It's only like 16 square meter, but I think it's really decent. So this is the kitchen area. So here are the cupboards, and you'll see that these are like the pots and pans, rice grains. You know, if you come from Asia, you really love rice, right? Cereal, and some of my favorite instant noodle. So yeah, and here in this cupboard is my favorite part. This is where all the food from my country plays it. So yeah, my favorite instant noodle. Yeah, all of these are like food from my country that I can't live without. Here there is like a dustbin, and yeah, some of the toilet rolls and stuff. Nothing interesting. And I have like a mini fridge, which is not big, but it's not small. So yeah, that's perfect for one person. This one is the extractor fan. You really need to use the extractor fan because if you live in a studio, you know, the smell stays in your room for quite a long time. So it's better if you use like the extractor fan, and I highly recommend it. And this is the place where all my utensils are, the spoon, the fork, and everything. Yeah. And I have like this little oven here, and also here, more plates and stuff. Okay. So this little thing, you may see that it's very small, but it's huge inside. You can see where this is the place where I put all my luggages. I put like 2 luggages there, and one is inside the big one. And this is like my small mini air cooler. I need it during the summertime because it's so hot. Okay, so this is my wardrobe. So you can see that all my coats are here by the hangers. And there is where I put all my shoes and accessories, and there is my laundry bag. I'm sure you can't see it all. Put it here. Okay, it's a mess. Sorry, but it's a mess. But here's my laundry bag, and I put it here. It's a carpet bag too. And I bought it from Amazon as well. All the things I bought here are from Amazon, either from Amazon or from Argos. Yeah. And there is that is the place where I put all the bed sheets and stuff, and there's my bag. Nothing interesting. So this chest drawers, I bought it from Argos. I think it's around, I don't remember, I think it's around 20 pounds or something. So yeah, and I have to like assemble everything by myself. At first I thought it's gonna come like this, but then I have to assemble everything by myself. But this is really, this chest drawers are really good. I really recommend you buy it and install it in one here because it organizes everything, like literally everything. So yeah, I put some of my books here and more books and my camera, my favorite camera of all time. And here I also have like 2 boxes. So the box from the from the up one, that thing there is where I put all my gears and my accessories for filming, like my tripod, my mic, camera, lighting, everything. This 2 box here is for the medicine and stuff. So this is the area where I study and do all my work. So my laptop, my iPad, book, files, yeah, and all. And again, this one is also from Argos. I feel like I am a huge fan of Argos, but anyways, yeah. And this is my bed. So my pillow, I'm not sure if you know this or not, but I decorate my whole room with white and pink because I feel like it's a, it adds like a girly theme, and it looks the room more aesthetic. So all my bed sheets, including this little thing, they're all from Primark. And that thing there, the gray and the yellow one, is the gift from my little brother. So yeah, it has like a very beautiful memory behind it, but I'm not gonna mention it here anyways. So underneath the bed, it's where all my clothes are. So here is my clothes and my more clothes. And again, I have this huge storage area underneath the bed. So yeah, this is again where all my clothes are, but it's really messy, so I'm not gonna show it. And there's like my little bookshelf. So my bookshelf, I know the bookshelf is not huge, yeah, but mainly I read books from my Kindle. So here is my Kindle for the books written in English. So the bookshelf is mainly for like the books written in my language because there is no PDF file for the books in my language. But anyways, and I really love this thing because it comes with this beautiful like flower. Usually all like the read diffuser and stuff like they only come with this thing, but here they come with like the creative flowers. So I love it. This is my favorite area of the whole place, and it is this amazing view. So it's overlooking the Dinsky. Dinsky is an area in Manchester, by the way. So this is a place where I usually journal my thoughts and stuff, and then like sometimes I walk here, but usually I walk from the desk that I showed you before. But here is more like a place where I like relax and do some workout or meditation and yoga and stuff like that. So I kind of decorate here with this like cup and like the white fluffy cup head. And here are some of the candles. By the way, this is not the real candle, like the LED candle. Again, I did this from Argos. And I have this crown shape what's called like back seat cushion or something. Yeah, this is from Amazon. And I decorated with like 2 cushions here. I have this fluffy throw because sometimes it's a little bit cold in this area. So yeah. Now let's go to the bathroom. So this is like the bathroom area. It's not like really huge, but it's like big enough for one person. So here's some mirrors, and I have all my cosmetics and skincare inside this. So yeah, and also I bought this like 4 LED, and it comes with remote control. So ta-da-da! Like the shower area. Unfortunately, it only comes with a rain shower. But at first I'm kind of like, I'm not very used to like the rain shower thing, but I'm like pretty used to it now. But anyways, yeah, this is like the bathroom. It's not really big, but it's enough. I don't know why it's not that. So this is the laundry area. We have I think it's like a Circle Plus. It's the app where you can like. So you have to use all the laundry, the machines here. So we have like this washing machines and the dryers on top. So it's nothing special. I mean, every student accommodation that have it. So now let's move on to the common room. Welcome to the common area. So yeah, we have these chairs to like socialize, and there's these like books here. I think no one really reads it. But anyways, we also have this table tennis table here. Yeah, here. And some more chairs. And so this is like the cinema area where students can like socialize. So yeah, this is the common area. So that's it. All about my student accommodation, and thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in next video. Bye bye. Love you all so much.